If you have mild to moderate acne, then aloe vera gel can help in removing those pimples. In a 2013 study, it was found that aloe vera increases effectiveness of the conventional acne treatment on mild and moderate lesions. This is not surprising, as aloe vera has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Aloe vera is certainly good for acne. It may not deal with stubborn acne, but is a good natural product to get rid of mild and moderate acne. Aloe vera is generally not allergic to any type of skin, so chances are high for it to suit your skin. You can do a spot test on the back of your palm before applying on your face. Let's now take a closer at how to use aloe vera gel for acne. You can use pure aloe vera topically or use it with other natural products to make a face mask to get rid of your acne. If you can get the fresh gel from the leaves of aloe vera plant for acne, then that is the best option. But you can also buy pure aloe vera gel online. If you are curious about pricing, then you can check the link given in the description box below. You can apply aloe vera gel on the affected area and leave it overnight. Wash it off in the morning. Another good remedy is to make aloe vera mask for acne treatment with honey and apply. Add 2 teaspoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix it well to make homogeneous paste. Apply on the acne affected area. Wash it off after a couple of hours. Do it twice daily. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon powder to increase the effectiveness of the aloe vera face mask. Another natural combination is to mix aloe vera gel with lemon juice. This will more effectively cleanse all pores in the acne-affected skin to get rid of bacteria. Add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice to 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel to make a smooth paste. This is a very effective aloe vera gel face mask for acne. Lemon juice can irritate your skin, so ensure that the quantity of aloe vera is 8 to 10 times more in volume. Apply the paste on the acne and the skin around them. Leave it overnight. Rinse it off in the morning. Aloe vera can be added to many other natural remedies to get rid of acne. Bottom line is, aloe vera is good for mild to moderate acne. Use it alone or with other natural remedies to make your facial skin acne-free. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.